Okay, so you have all the bedrooms upstairs. We're at the top of the stairs. And at the top of the stairs is a bathroom with tile floor, vanity. Heat comes from the ceiling, which is good. And stand-up shower. That's at the top. And then you have the master bedroom, which is really big. Really nice. Vaulted ceilings. I believe that's a king size. If not, it's a California king. You got good space on either side of the bed. Plenty of room. Just to give you a feel for the size. Now all up here is carpet. Looks like brand new carpet. It's very clean. So you have a walk-in closet. The bathroom. Tile. Dual vanity. Seamless sinks, which is nice. Very nice. And you got a stand-up shower. Well, actually, you got a tub shower. Ooh, a jetted tub shower. So that's nice. And then another little closet right here. Linen closet.